Hey guys, this is the screencast for Wednesday the 9th in United States Lit. Pretty straightforward day. We talked through grammar number 1 at the start of class, which is located here and needed to be submitted by the start of class today. Appears most people have already submitted and had that work graded. If you haven't submitted it yet, it'd be good to get that in ASAP. Just realize that's due at the start of class every Wednesday. After that, we talked briefly about you guys needing to submit your author cards, which if we look up under the general class information, there's the author cards assignment and template that you guys have in theory been using, but then there's an author cards assignment where you needed to you don't need to necessarily turn this in, but what you need to do is copy and paste your 6 or so author cards into this document. If you look in this document, all it really has is the 5 different units that we're going to be working through over the course of this class. So if you can just copy and paste your author cards into this section for the beginnings in American Revolution, that was kind of just to have you be prepared for the exam. And the final thing that we looked at today then was the exam, which if you scroll down to the early America to the American Revolution time period, the unit exam is listed here. It was a Go formative test with this password to get into it. I think most everybody knocked it out. At the end of it, there are 3 options for writing responses. Just so we're all clear, your goal was to write 2 of those 3. If you write all 3, I'm only going to grade the first 2. So pick the 2 that you're most comfortable with and write 1 paragraph for each response. That's a solid topic sentence, a solid concluding sentence. Both should have argument that addresses the prompt, and then in between you have some evidence and you talk about it. If you have questions, let me know. Have a great day.